Good morning, students. Today, our topic is affinities of bryophytes. From evolutionary point of view, bryophytes occupy an intermediate position between the algae and the pteridophytes. They show affinities with both algae and pteridophytes. Resemblance of bryophyte with algae. Plant body is simple, thalloid and gametophytic. Thalloid means thallus-like. Like algae, these are the autotrophics. Like algae, bryophytes has gametophytic phase is dominant. Roots are absent. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, alpha and beta carotene, lutein, xanthines are similar in chloroplast. Vascular tissue is absent. Anthrozoids are motile, biflagellated. Flagella are whiplash type. Water is essential for the fertilization in bryophyte like algae. A filamentous protonema is produced by bryophytes which resembles with the filamentous green algae. In order Anthoceratoles of bryophytes, plastids are with pyrenoids, which is a characteristic feature of chlorophysis. Blue-green algae. Chlorophyce, green algae. It is a characteristic feature of chlorophyce. Green algae is का characteristic feature है. Now the differences of bryophyte with algae. Most of the algae are aquatic, but bryophyte mostly aquatic and prefer to grow on moist and shady places. Algal body is thallus may be unicellular, multicellular or pseudoparenchymatous. In bryophytes, thallus is made up of parenchymatous cells except protonema, which is filamentous. No tissue differentiation in the plant body in algae. In case of bryophyte, cells in the different parts have specific functions. In algae, stomata or pores are totally absent, but in bryophyte these are present. In algae, the rhizoids are absent except in some heterotrichous forms, but in bryophyte rhizoids are present. In algae, all the cells of the plant body are capable of division, but in bryophytes, divisions are restricted at certain places only. In algae, asexual reproduction by zoospore, aplanospore, echinates are present, but in bryophyte, these type of asexual reproduction is totally absent. Sex organs are unicellular. In algae, sometimes a group of cells and without jacket of the vegetative strial cells. In bryophytes, sex organs are multicellular and enclosed by a jacket of vegetative strial cells. In algae, sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous. In bryophytes, sexual reproduction is oogamous type. In algae, zygote is liberated from the parent plant, but in bryophytes, zygote is retained by the parent plant. In algae, after liberation, zygote passes into the resting period. In bryophyte, zygote does not go into any resting period. In algae, zygote does not form embryo but produces haploid spores. In bryophyte, zygote forms embryo. In algae, sporophytic phase is represented by zygote and it is independent, while in bryophytes, sporophytic phase is well developed and dependent upon the gametophytic generation. Algae show homologous or isomorphic type of alternation of generation, while bryophytes show heterologous or heteromorphic type of alternation of generation. Resemblance of bryophyte with pteridophytes. Plants are terrestrial. Primitive, simple, leafless and rootless sporophytes of pteridophytes can be compared with the sporophytes of bryophytes. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Androcytes are enclosed by strial jacket layer. Antherozoids are flagellated. Water is essential for fertilization. Permanent retention of zygote within the archegonium. Zygote forms the embryo. Moss capsule is similar to terminal sporangium and columella of Xylophytales. Both bryophytes and pteridophytes are characteristic by heteromorphic alternation of generation. Now, differences between bryophytes and pteridophytes. In bryophytes, plant body is gametophytic and like thalloid or foliose type, while in pteridophytes, plant body is sporophytic and can be differentiated into root, stem and leaves. In bryophyte, gametophytic phase is dominant phase of life cycle, while in pteridophytes, sporophytic phase is the dominant phase of life cycle. In bryophyte, vascular tissue is absent, while in pteridophyte, vascular tissue is well developed. In bryophyte, sporophyte is completely dependent on gametophyte. In pteridophyte, sporophytic or sporophyte is independent. In bryophyte, sporophyte is not capable of independent growth, while in pteridophyte, sporophyte is capable of independent growth. Now, origin of bryophytes. Nothing definite is known about the origin of bryophytes. Because of the very little fossil record. There are two views regarding the origin of bryophytes, and these are algal hypothesis of the origin of bryophytes and pteridophycean hypothesis of origin of bryophytes, which you have studied from the affinities of the bryophyte with algae and pteridophyte. Thank you.